Okay, so welcome. Today we're going to be doing, or teaching you how to quenelle. So before we start, just a few housekeeping things. You need the toilet, okay, they're to your left. Okay, in case of a fire, we have to go out the door to the left downstairs, okay, and to the, there's a park beside the building. Please don't use the elevators, okay, by the stairs. I'll get you to sign in, okay, just an attendance record, so name and date, signature please. And we'll go the other way with a bit of an information sheet on quenelle. I don't know if you've all heard
I don't even know what it means.
the term before. Okay, so it's used in the food industry mainly, and it's basically to shape, something. Okay, cream, mousse, pate, usually something soft, ice cream. Okay, it originated from a dumpling. Okay, so they mix all the meat and that with what's called a quenelle, which is like bread and milk. Form your dumpling and then shape it and poach it, and that was a quenelle. These days it's more the shape that we're after rather than the actual product. So you're looking for, there's two types. One looks like an egg, but it's got three sides. Okay? And the other one is more that smooth egg shape. So there's two different techniques. Okay. We're going to use whipped cream today, just because it's easy. Okay? It's good to work with. If you're using ice cream, I suggest you do it in a freezer. Okay? Because you want that product quite firm, especially when you're starting out. So the first one I'll show you is the three-sided one. I'll just wait for the to finish. Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
There. Okay. So warm water and dessert spoons. I don't know if you know the difference. Dessert spoons are pointed, soup spoons are rounded. Okay, you want the pointed one. So a bit of warm water. Depending on your product, if it's ice cream, you want it quite hot. Okay. Is anyone left-handed?
Yes.
Get you to come around this side of the table, just because I'm left-handed and it's a bit easier. So warm spoons, dried. Okay, take a scoop. And what you're going to do is you're going to pass it onto the next spoon. Spoon to spoon, push it down. Okay, and you just keep going over this action. You'll get a little bit of excess. Okay. So you get nice. Great. If you find it's gripping a bit, just tap off the extra, wet the spoon again. Okay. And then go back on. Just keep doing it until you get three nice sides. Okay. Thank you. And then down on the plate. Okay, we usually drag it off just to get rid of that seam. Okay. And that's one of our quenelles. So,
Could you do it with mashed potato for display?
you can, yes. So anything that's soft ply
Like a footy meal,
yeah.
pie and some quenelle taties.
Yeah.
That will
So
display.
you'll see it with the mushy peas on top.
Yep.
They do it with that as well. Okay, so that's one way. The other way, okay, this is the way I prefer. One spoon, okay, you get your mix, you put it on a 45-degree angle. Okay, a hot spoon is needed. You're going to start kind of backwards, straight up, go in, and you're going to roll across. Okay, and scoop it up. And you'll get a much smoother texture. Your might be a bit cold. Okay, so then again, 45-degree angle with your mix, straight in, roll it across. Okay, you're going to scoop it up. Spoon was a bit cold. Okay, good idea to have a lot of spoons so you keep interchanging, especially if you're doing a lot of them at once. Does everyone get the gist? Good idea?
Yep.
Beautiful. Jump in, have a go.
Two spoons.
Two spoons.
Yeah,
I can try and show you right-handed, but I'm not going to how good it's going to be.
Yes, did you skip the
Yep.
left hand?
I usually get.
So how much?
All I got was whipped cream on a spoon.
Not
as good as you.
Okay, so yeah, make sure your spoon's nice and hot. It is hard to pick up. Okay, the 3-sided with the 2 spoons is easier. You're just twirling cream.
But it looks pretty.
Well, that's pretty good. For a first go, that's alright.
Mine's got a point.
Yep.
Did you do this with your left hand or your right hand?
How do I get it off?
Really just.
So do you,
I start upside down this way.
Yeah.
Let's do this way.
yeah.
Scoop down, roll across. So you're kind of pushing and
But
rolling
which way?
at the
Oh,
same
we're rolling
time.
that way.
Yeah.
Like
Pick
that?
it up. Yep.
Yes, and wait, which way are we rolling?
You need to go either way, whatever feels comfortable. That's it. Yeah, clean your spoon off. Okay,
Yay.
clean hot spoons.
Yay.
Beautiful.
Yay.
Woohoo!
It's so little.
Okay,
That's
so.
it. Yep. And yeah, you kind of want to drag it, but keep in that round motion. That's
so,
it. Yep.
Whoa! It is so fiddly, oh my god.
Yeah.
It's getting smaller by the minute.
Yes, that was mine.
With more
That's
rotations,
Really good.
it gets littler and littler.
Impressed.
So while I have you.
I'm going to try your way. What are you doing, Mum?
So yeah, make it a 45. That's it.
Mine
Oh,
seems
this
like it's a
one's-
square, not a.
Mine doesn't want to get off the spoon.
No, I had that problem with this one.
Look, you can make it, I believe.
Yeah.
Let's stay together.
Go.
But
So
yay.
then start cutting it backwards.
No, I cannot do this.
This way. And this is right-handed, so you go down. And what you're going to do is you're going to push across as you roll your spoon.
Alright.
Can I do it that way?
You can do it that way if you want. Yep.
Try it that way.
Okay, so.
Yep, and you roll your spoon at the same time, then you kind of scoop under and pick it up. You just need a bit more.
Push it over.
I need to be far. Oh, don't.
Close. Close. What I am going to do is change your water because it seems a bit cold.
You have a couple good ones out there, didn't you?
No,
One.
this. Look at
Okay.
that.
Yeah, that's good.
Thanks.
Well, it's only escaped his shell there.
Then you've got a face one.
So you can imagine standing in a freezer,
Oh,
rolling
yes.
1,400 of them, you get pretty good pretty quick.
Yeah, I can imagine how frustrating it'd be to try and.
Okay, so you go that way, and then what way do you go from there? So, that.
So you can kind of go 2 ways, yep. So, sorry, I'm just going to jump in.
Mhm.
So you're transferring from one spoon
Is
to
that
the
it?
other.
That's a good one.
So you're going under, over, under, over, under, over. That was what I was getting confused with.
Okay,
That's it.
so.
That's good, that's really good.
I had a good teacher.
Running out of space for them up. Yep.
Just can't get it off.
That way?
Yep, or that way.
That was pear-shaped.
That way.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Terry,
Yeah.
can you come show me the one-handed method and the
Yeah.
one-spooned method?
Is that it?
Close to it.
Oh,
Got it, mate?
that's terrible.
You can do it back the other way.
Again, try my spoon.
Mm.
I think this is more fun than beating egg whites.
Is that what the last one was?
Yeah.
And she set her mother up.
Yeah.
I kicked ass.
Yeah, you did.
You did really well.
So when you want to have
He
mate,
had a big beater.
So you can kind of group it up on one side. Okay. So fill your
I've got
spoon
issues
right up.
with glass
Yeah.
glass.
And then roll it over the top.
oh, and cut it.
Cut it out, yeah.
Okay, beautiful.
Okay.
Thank
We'll
you.
change your spoon so it's nice and hot. Alright, Tina.
Yeah. Okay. Show me how it's done.
You're right-handed?
I am. So it's going to be a bit tricky.
Okay. So that's how you'd eat.
Okay. Yep.
You're going to turn it backwards.
Okay.
You're going to push your cream.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Just bring it to here.
Push your way all the way to the top.
Yeah.
With your spoon, and then you're going to roll it over
Yeah.
and pick it up.
Okay.
That's a right-handed one.
That's how all of mine have been cutting out. I don't know, maybe it's just a
So-
right-handed thing.
Yeah. Keep changing your spoon. Okay, hot spoons.
This is my last one, single spoon. But
Nice.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm pretty proud of
There's a
that.
few good ones.
Should
that
I
that
should
one's
I
getting
stop
there.
while I'm ahead?
I like your honesty.
So yeah, depending on what product you're using, some products will give you a nicer shape.
Sorry.
Okay, something that's firmer.
Oh.
on
It
texture of
kind of
Yeah.
worked. It worked better than my last attempt.
Okay, so this is completely fresh cream whipped. If you've got a stabilizer or something else in it, okay, it's going to shape better and it's going to hold better to the heat.
And the hotter your spoon, the easier it glides off, and I would imagine it's smoother with a hotter spoon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we all feel
Sorry.
somewhat confident in the technique.
Yes.
Yep.
Now you understand what you need to get to.
Yeah.
Okay, that one completely just failed. I'm sorry. It's an
There's
abomination.
actually- that one's really good. So is that one. That one's really good.
I think three-sided ones are a lot easier.
Yeah. And
I think
We
it's
can-
kind of quality. That's so good.
This looks like a spoon of cream to me. Okay, so how
That's
does
how my one-handed one always looked. I'm like, oh, it just looks like I
So-
had some cream.
so keep it.
I know, it's better to do it on this side. I'm just running out of
You
cream.
need that length. That's alright. You can take something. Else.
That's what happened. I think I'm just splitting the cream now.
So you want to roll over the top. That's it.
Just not a filthy spoon.
Okay, cool. I think you've all done really well. That's excellent. Any questions? Any?
now I know what they are.
Yeah.
I haven't made them.
So when you're making that lovely dessert,
Yeah.
make that pavlova with a
Police
nice
won't know
quenelle
dessert,
cream.
will they, with their cornels? Do you like cornels?
Okay, so you can, obviously we're doing cream and I've talked about mousses and that sort of thing, but you can actually, again, dumplings, fry them, do like donuts, shape them and drop them in the deep fryer and that sort of thing. So you're just looking for that football or egg shape.
I feel like it would be
Yeah.
easier with that sort of thing because it'd be like firmer.
A bit sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you said stabiliser with it. What does that mean?
So if you let whipped cream sit, it's going to collapse.
Yeah.
The air's going to run out of it. So you can add stabilisers. There's a lot of commercial ones that we use in the kitchen. At home you can use custard powder. That's probably the most common one. And it just helps hold that air, just gives it a bit more structure. The other thing is by thickened cream, it's got gelatin in it, which will help hold the air.
And what about like artificial cream? You know, mock cream
Mock cream, yeah, that's always good.
Yeah. for that sort of activity.
Yeah, for holding that shape.
Next school holidays.
I'll be making meringues with quenelles.
Okay.
Or I could do quenelle shaped meringues.
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, I've just got a feedback form for you all to fill out to help my teaching and help me get better. So I'll hand that around and
I'll take the cream one if you like. I got all over.
sure.
My signature.
Thank you.
No more questions?
Right,
Awesome. Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
She tried it all her pens.
Thank you, Miss
Sorry.
Terry.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss
you.
Terry.